Hi, and welcome to your Moogo website. We're going to give you some quick instructions that will help to get you started. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn three things: changing the layout, changing the menu, and editing text content. So let's get started with number one, changing the layout. When you open your Moogo website, it will look a little something like this. There is a menu bar at the top, where you can find all the features that you have ordered. Underneath, we'll find what we call the top bar, the main image of your page. Underneath there is the content area. And on the side, we find what we call the content blocks. Perhaps green's not your color, or perhaps you don't like bunnies. We can change the template and the look of your site. Click on Edit Layout in your menu navigation. This will bring out the template gallery on the bottom of your site. You can scroll to the right to see the different kinds of templates we have. Once you click, you can immediately see the result in real time. Let's choose this one. Click Save. Remember that you can edit everything in the template as well. As for example, the image in the top bar. You might want to put your own logo there. Click on Top Bar to make the changes. Click Remove Image from Use. Then choose Select Own Image. This will open the file browser. The file browser works basically like your regular file browser on your computer. There are two folders standard, Files and Images. Click on Images since we are going to upload an image. Click on Select Picture. This will open your local file browser. Choose the file you want. Click Open. Then click Send to upload it to the directory. Here it is. Click on the green V to select the image for use. It now appears in your top bar. At the moment, it does not look very good. You can make the changes in additional settings. Choose None under Repetition. This will make sure it doesn't get repeated. Then adjust the height of the top bar so that it fits better with the size of your picture. That's better. Let's click Save. The green notification balloon lets us know that our saving has been successful. Let's close the layout editor for now and play around with the structure of your site. At the moment, you have these side blocks with some information in it. You can move these around freely. This one can go to the right. That one can go to the left. You can also add or delete them. For that, we have to click on Site Management and click on Page Layout and Structure. This will bring out this field. Your page is built up as follows: column on the right, a column on the left, and the content will come in the center. You can also remove site blocks from use by clicking Remove from Use. You can also have entire columns made invisible by clicking Visible. Save the changes and check in Content Editing to see whether it's really gone. Let's put it back though. Site Management, Page Layout and Structure. Visible, Save Changes, and it's back. Now let's add a content block. Let's add an empty one. We can use an empty one to add manual content or third-party features like music players. You can edit the content in the content editing structure. Click Save Changes and click on Content Editing. This is the default editing page. Hover with your mouse over the content block and click on the lightning bolt. Now you can edit the content of the content block. You can edit the title and you can edit the text in the box. For example, let's make a special offer for bananas. You will now have a site block which features a special offer for bananas. Of course, you can move this one around as well. So perhaps we want to put it on the left side. There we go. It is automatically saved. This concludes our quick instruction on changing the layout. Let's move on with changing the menu. If you open your website, there will be a standard menu. You can edit it by clicking on the lightning bolt that appears when you hover over the menu. This will bring out the menu editor. Here you can edit and delete links in the menu. You can also move them up or down. Let's create a new link. Click on the green New Link. Put in a link name. Let's call it Feedback Form, since we're going to link to the already existing feedback form. Click on Select File and select the feedback form. Save changes, and it has been added to the menu. Let's take a look. There it is. Also, the position has changed. And you might want to make a check so that it's working. Yes, it is working. There we go. This concludes the chapter on editing the menu. Let's move on. Editing text content. With editing text content, we mean the central part of your website, the actual content. You can edit the text by clicking on the lightning bolt. This will open up the text editor. This looks like a regular word editor. There is bold, italics, underline, align to the left, center, align to the right. You can add bullet points. There's an option for tables and two important ones on the right bottom, adding an image and adding video content. But let's first start with adding some text. This website is probably for your company, so it's not a bad idea to type your company name there. Then type something about the origin of your company or what you do. You can put in everything here. Like said before, this works like a regular text editor such as Microsoft Word. Add some bullet points. You might also want to make links in your pages. This is very easy. Just type in the name of what you want the link to be called. Select the part which you want to become a link. Then click on the little link icon. Type in the name of the page where it should refer to. Then click Save, and it's done. You have now made a link. Let's also try to add an image. Click on the image icon. As I said, it looks like a tree. This will open up the file browser. Let's use the logo for now. Click on the green V, and it will appear in there. That's all. Click Save, and it will automatically appear on your website. There it is. You might wonder how your website looks now for your visitor. It looks like this, exactly the same as in the editor. This concludes the quick instructions for editing your website. We have many other video tutorials which will explore all our possibilities even further. I would like to refer you to moogo.com/instructions. There's also text and image tutorials, or drop us a line at helpdesk@moogo.com. Good luck with your site.